So this is the third way that I'm going to show how to configure the environment to develop the Fiori applications. This is my favorite way because with Docker installed in your computer, with VS Code installed, and also this extension installed in VS Code, the Devcontainers, you can just clone the repository. And if the repository has these two files like this, or Devcontainer files, you can just open the environment in any computer with these three things. So in the container, we are just forwarding the ports, and we are also installing the Fiori extension pack like we did in the last video. And we are also installing the packages that we did in the last video. As you saw, we installed these three ones, and this one was installed automatically. The cons of doing this way is basically like the last one. We could have difficulties connecting to the system of your company or to the cloud or something about the authorizations or the network of your company. The pros is that you can run this in anywhere, basically, with those three things that I told you. So now to open the environment, we just need to press here and reopen in container. The first time that we open this, it's going to take some time, as you're going to see, because it's installing and configuring everything. So let's just wait for it. So now we can see that it's just installing things of the VS Code, the extensions that we told it to install. And it should be done, so we can close this. If we go here to the extension tab, this Devcontainer in the middle should have all the extensions we told to install. So they are. Okay, now we are going to just test the environment. So the Fiori Open Application Generator is not working. I don't know why. Probably because we are in a container. If you go here, sub Fiori tools, you're going to see this error. Honestly, for me, this is not a problem because by the terminal, if we write yo and choose this one, that's why we installed in here this thing. If you saw in the last video, it installed automatically. So you run this and you are going to see that we have the same template. So the basic, list, report, all of these that appear in the layout of the Open Application Generator. So you're going for the basic. You can ignore the errors that appear. So we are going to just go for the default like the last two videos. So none, enter, 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 enter. This version, sure, sure. And now we are going to wait for it to install everything and set up the project. When this man appears, it means that project is ready. So yeah, now we can just start the project, and we're going to jump to the folder of the project and npm start like in the last two videos. And it should open automatically page, as you see, very quick. And as we can, for us to test like in the last two videos, we can just come here and create the button. If the if these helper things are not appearing, just do control space and wait a bit for it to load. It can take time the first time that you try it. So we're going to just do our test button, save, and automatically it opens and loads